So hey guys, welcome to another lecture hour. So you all know the previous lecture of about this question. I think you hopefully understand this lecture. So what we learn in the next lecture. So we will learn next lecture of this question solved by factorization. Okay. If you cannot see my first video, you will first check out my first video until you can see my this video. Okay, you will know better. Okay, so here you can see solve by factorization. uh, i will I will solve today in this video. I will solve this question. Okay, so what I can do again today in this video, I will choose this question for solving. Okay, so we can go in my MS Word and type the variants. So my MS Word is opening. So wait a minute. So what is type x square minus x? I will type. Sorry, again x. I will big my font is very short, not readable. So this is best. Okay, so x square. I will choose into power, convert into power space. So x square minus x. What is next? X. What is next? So minus 20. Minus 20. So what is next? Minus 20 and is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to sorry, is equal to 0. So it's time to solve this question. You can see again the what is the question solved by factorization. We can factorize this question. How to factorize this? I will solve this question very easily, and you will understand better. So what will I do? So first of all, you think you will now how can I do? Okay, convert this part, the factorization, convert 20 into two parts. Okay, what I'll do, x 2 again change into power x square, and again go again. So 4 multiplied by 5. What is the answer? 4 multiplied by this, the answer is 4 multiplied by 5. The answer is 20. Okay, I will type minus space 5x. Hopefully you will understand. Again plus 4x and then minus 20. Okay, if you cannot understand then you can comment down, and I will guide this lecture again. You can do not worry, I will teach you in best way. So convert this into two parts. How? Factorize this x sorry x bracket bracket. What is the common in this x? So I will type x, one power is lost. So again type the minus and type 5. Okay, and close the bracket. Sorry, and close the bracket. Okay, what is next common in these are two things? 4. Okay, 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 20. Answer is 5. So what will I do? I choose space 4, then 4 again. Sorry, 4. 4 1 by 4 is equal to 1. 1 I cannot type, so type x, and space again, type minus type minus, and 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, so type bracket again. Sorry, bracket again, and what is next? Is equal to 0 again. Okay, hopefully you will understand very strictly. And what is next? I will enter again enter again and solve this equation. So x minus 5. Okay, 5. So x again plus 4, okay, is equal to 0. Okay, our question is almost done to solve. So what is the next thing? What will I type? The answer is in two forms. Okay, so you this into is equal to this, this is equal to this. Okay, x minus sorry for background noise. So what is next thing is, so this question our almost done. So what will I do? X minus 5 is equal to 0. I will that's again this is equal to 0, this is equal to this. Okay, so hopefully you will understand. I will first solve this. So this is minus 5. So I will this is left side, I will convert this into this side. Okay, how can I do this? X is equal to plus. Okay, and this is our answer is first, this is our first answer. And what is the second answer? I will type comma and solve this. What is next? X plus, sorry, 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is again similar. So what can I do? I will type again comma. Okay, you can also do this the or type. Okay, sorry, acha. So this is a plus 4. I will current left side to this is into right side. What I type? X is equal to minus 4. Okay, hopefully you feel you will be understand better way. This is our first question answer. Okay, if you can any doubt of any kind doubt, you will be comment down in my comment. You will be comment in my comment section. Hopefully you will check out my first lecture of this question. You will be better understand of this question. So today in this your assignment is, sorry, your assignment, sorry, I will go in 1.2 lecture, 1.2 exercise. Okay, so in this so today is your assignment. Complete these are comment, these are question, solve these are question, and you will be you will ask, you will comment on me. This is my, so hopefully you will understand. Okay, I will back again in a new lecture. So take care. Goodbye.